Hey, I'm Anna. I'm 25 and I live in a small, quiet town. On the outside, my life seems perfect. I've got a husband, a nice house, and a good job. But the truth is, my heart feels heavy every day. 1 year ago, I made a decision I regret. I married Mark, a man I don't love. I did it out of anger to get back at my ex. But in the end, all I've done is hurt myself. Mark is a good man. He loves me deeply and does everything he can to make me happy. Flowers, gifts, surprises. He's always smiling at me, but I can't return his love. He knows I don't love him. One night he told me, "Anna, please don't leave me. I know you don't love me yet, but I believe you will one day. My love is strong enough for both of us." His words broke me. I wanted to cry because I knew that would never happen. My heart is silent and no words can change that. My mom always said, "Love will grow with time. Not everyone marries for love. You need patience." But honestly, it feels like I'm living a lie. One evening, Mark planned a romantic dinner. Candles, my favorite meal, everything. He smiled and said, "This is for you, Anna, because you're my everything." I tried to smile back, but inside I felt nothing. I couldn't enjoy the moment. I felt trapped in a life that didn't feel like mine. He took me to the park where he proposed, holding my hand and saying, "Remember this place? This is where I promised to love you forever." I wanted to scream, "I don't love you," but I stayed silent, not wanting to hurt him. At night, I lay in bed staring at the ceiling, wondering if I'll ever feel truly happy again. My best friend Lisa noticed I wasn't myself. She asked, "Anna, what's wrong? You don't look happy." I told her the truth. She suggested, "Maybe you and Mark need some time apart to figure things out." But deep down, I knew time wasn't the issue. The issue was my heart. I tried to talk to Mark once, but before I could say anything, he stopped me and said, "I know what you're thinking. Please don't give up on us." His words made me feel even worse. He was holding on to hope, but I had none left. Then one day, Mark asked me if I wanted to have a baby. He thought it would bring us closer. The thought of having a child with someone I don't love terrified me. I told him I wasn't ready, and he looked sad but didn't push it. I feel like I'm drowning in this marriage. I can't be the wife Mark deserves, and I feel guilty every day. Sometimes I wonder what people would say if I left him. Would they judge me? Would they think I'm selfish? One night I packed a small bag. I wanted to leave, but when I saw Mark sleeping, looking so peaceful, I couldn't do it. I felt like a monster for even thinking about it. The next morning, Mark made me coffee and said, "Anna, I believe in us. We can make this work." His words broke my heart even more. Sometimes I just sit in my room and cry. I feel lost and unsure of how to fix my life. Mark doesn't deserve this. He's a good man, but I can't give him the love he needs. One weekend, Mark took me on a trip to the beach, thinking the sea would help me feel better. We walked on the sand, but I didn't feel anything. The beauty of the ocean couldn't touch my heart. Lisa called after the trip and asked, "Did it help, Anna?" I told her no, nothing seemed to help. I think about my future every day. I know I can't live like this forever, but leaving feels so hard. Mark is still trying. He plans little surprises and writes me sweet notes. He deserves someone who loves him back, not someone like me. I want to leave, but I'm scared. What if I never find happiness? What if Mark is the best I'll ever have? One night I looked in the mirror and didn't recognize myself. I had lost my smile, my joy, my dreams. I'm sharing my story because I want others to learn from my mistake. Don't rush into marriage for the wrong reasons. Wait for real love. I hope Mark forgives me one day. He deserves to be happy, and I hope he finds someone who can give him that. Now I must be brave and choose a new path. I don't know what the future holds, but I can't live like this anymore. This is my story. It's not a happy one, but it's real. I hope it helps someone who feels the same. Thanks for listening. If you found this story meaningful, please like, subscribe, and share.